Hello and welcome to Supability. Today the focus is on this word. Can you pronounce it? Let's give it a try. Separate. 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 No, it's separate. Which one is it? Can you tell which is the correct pronunciation? Separate or separate? Well, they both are correct. And no, it's not the American English versus British English logic. The pronunciation depends not on the chosen accent, but on the usage of this word. So it's pretty much a verb-adjective issue. But I won't confuse you as that's not the aim of Supability. हम यहाँ पे things simple रखते हैं. तो easy है समझाना. Please pay attention. Now, when you're talking about the action word, then it is separate. Alag alag karna. Like the act of separating, like how I am separating my fingers. That's separate. Other examples would be, I can't separate from my husband. Alag hona, juda hona. Again, yahan verb, yani ki action ki baat ho rahi hai. Let's take another example. Separate the fruit from the juice. You getting the point? Every time you talk about the action of taking something or someone apart, it's separate. But then why do some people say separate? It's because they are using it as an adjective, matlab describing word. Ab zara in examples par gaur farmaiye. That's a separate issue. Separate issue. Matlab ye do alag alag issues hain. Issue को आपने describe करने के लिए separate use किया. So then the pronunciation changes to separate. You can't say separate issue. इसमें आप कह रहे हैं कि issue को आप अलग करो. नहीं, हम कह रहे हैं कि ये अलग issue है. It's a separate issue. Let's take another example. Give the kids separate plates. अब आप kids की plate को describe कर रहे हैं. Adjective use कर रहे हैं कि आप बच्चों को अलग अलग plates दो. Separate plates. You can say separate the plates, but separate plates. Both are correct. So in the first one, you're separating the plates, like maybe they're in a stack and you're separating one from the other. Whereas in the other one, you're talking about the condition of the plates, the state of the plates that give them different plates, and that's what we're talking about. I know it's a very subtle thing, but agar aap dhyan se samjhiye, then you will grasp it quickly because we shall not make the same mistake again. Well, that's it from Super. If you like what I bring to you each week, then please subscribe to my channel Supability and turn on the notifications so you get to know when a new video is posted pronto. Much love, mwah, mwah. Stay safe, stay separate because of social distancing. Otherwise, the government will have to separate us. You see the difference? Stay separate, but you can be separated. Keep practicing and separate, separate wrong from the right. Bye now.